Okay, so I was just making a video so you've got some examples on definite integrals and the exponential function. So the point I want to make is the same method as previously with linear functions, or any other function, sorry, not just linear, but algebraic functions. So the steps are you need to find the integral and then you substitute the values and you subtract between the two. So let's have a look at some examples. So in this one here, nice and straightforward. Okay, so the first thing you do, again, like, turn into a pen. Okay, so we start with the square bracket. So e to the 3x turns into a third e to the 3x from 2 to 1. Now that 1/3 can come out the front. It'll multiply through at the end. So we'll just take 1/3 and then we've got e to the 3 times 2 minus e to the 3 times 1. So it's 1/3 e6 minus e cubed. And that's the answer. You don't have to do any more than that. I suppose, I don't think the textbook would factorize it, but theoretically e cubed is common, so we could have e3 over 3, e3 minus 1. Okay, but look, at this stage I'll be happy for that answer, but if the back of the book has it factorized, that's what they've done. They've taken e cubed out of both numbers, remembering that 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, you don't divide, you multiply. Okay, 3 plus 3 equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, let's have a look at the next example. Okay, so this is another one of these ones where you have to do recognition. Okay, so the derivative of x squared is 2x. I forgot to put the dx, sorry. Okay, so we've got a multiple of the derivative. So we've got x squared of 2x from 3 to minus 1. So the x's cancel out, so I've got a half ex squared 3 to the minus 1. So I've got a half e 3 squared minus e minus 1 squared, which is a half. Once you put it into numbers, you can change it to curly brackets. So e9 minus e1 minus 1 squared. And again, if you factorize it, e1 over 2 e8 minus 1 if you had to factorize it. Okay. So here's a couple you have a go yourself when you're ready to come back live. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so we've just got a linear function. So it's just going to be square bracket e1 minus 2x over minus 2 from 5 to 3. So that minus a half can come out the front, and then we just put in the values e1 minus 10 minus e1 minus 6, so minus a half, e to the minus 9 minus e to the minus 5. And again, you could factorize it. Let's just leave it like that. Okay. There's no units. Don't forget there's no units. You don't put units squared. Okay, looking at this one, the derivative of sine x is, cos x is minus sine x. So I've got the multiple in front. So this just turns into e to the cos x over minus 1 from pi on 3 to pi on 6. And then take that out the front. Just put a minus out the front. So we've got e to the cos pi on 3 minus e to the cos pi on 6, close, minus, okay, cos of pi on 3, that's a half, minus e to the root 3 on 2, and just leave it like that. Okay, or you could just, because it's a minus sign, you could just change these numbers around. And that's it. Right, so hopefully that's gives you an idea what some questions might look like for this area. Thanks.